Welcome back everyone, and today we have another cooking episode here on my channel, and today we are cooking lemon pepper chicken. So one of my friends gave me a gift. This is a lemon pepper seasoning salt from McCormick, and this is what we're going to use to make our lemon pepper chicken. So I'm using chicken quarters, particularly the thigh and the leg part, and we're just gonna season that with our lemon pepper seasoning salt. So this is about 4 tablespoons all in all that I'm using to marinate 4 pieces of quarter legs or quarter thighs. Now we're gonna let this season and marinate overnight in the refrigerator covered in foil. After we have marinated our chicken overnight, we're gonna slice up some lemons and add it on top of our chicken. And the rest of the lemon pieces that I wasn't able to slice, we're gonna squeeze out the juice to add to our chicken as well. Now while I'm doing this, I have already preheated my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we are ready to bake our chicken. We're gonna bake this first, covered with foil. So we have been baking our chicken in the oven for about 30 minutes now, and as I remove the foil, as you can see, the chicken is almost cooked, but the color is still not the way that we want it to be. We want that golden color on our roasted or baked chicken. So we're gonna put this in the oven for another 10 minutes without the foil on to achieve that color. So after 10 minutes, we're gonna top our chicken pieces with butter. We're gonna brush our chicken meat as it will continue roasting into the oven. This would really help develop that golden color that we want. And as the butter melts into the lemon pepper sauce, this would give it a much more richer flavor. After a few minutes more of baking our chicken, this is how it looks like right now, and as you can see, the butter really helped develop that golden color that we wanted. So there you have it. Our lemon pepper chicken is fully cooked. You can definitely serve this on special weekend dinners with your friends and family. So if you do like this recipe video, give it a thumbs up. Share this video to your family and friends. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, or if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing at Yan E. You can also tap the bell on notifications on the side for new recipes and videos. Thank you always for watching, and see you again next time. Bye!